Hey guys, I'm gonna take a quick weekly update of the garden. This is the first official weekly update video. So I up-potted these plants last week, and then I went out of town, and honestly left it up to my wife to like water and stuff, and they're doing good, but honestly we've overwatered a little bit, which is partially a miscommunication, but also I had to raise the lights up because if you look, there's like some dark areas on some of them, and I'm pretty sure they're just burnt. I think the leaves are just burnt. And then also some of these yellowing, I'm pretty sure you can see it really bad over here. I think this is just the really bad side effect of overwatering. And so the watering schedule wasn't horrible, but what happened was when I up-potted these, I added too much water to the soil, and so it was already too watered down when I transplanted them, and I thought it would dry up, but we were watering a little too frequently, and so it's starting to dry up now because I actually have not watered these for 2 days since I got back in town Friday, and we might go a third day here. And we do see some growth. They're looking nice. There's just some imperfections and I would say learning experiences here. We were watering these with basically fish fertilizer, or it's like fish and kelp based fertilizer, and we were adding that to the watering every time, and that started a week ago, which is great. I think it's just that we need to let it dry up a little bit before we keep going. But I would say overall looks good. Let me know what you think. There are some areas of issues. You might see a little bit of white. I sprayed some of the what is it? I can't think of what it is. It's not baking soda, but anyways, it's something to prevent fungus and stuff. I sprayed that after I up-potted them a week ago, so some of the residual white stuff, white spots, is from that. But other than that, the biggest concern is the darkening, but I think that was sunburn, and then the yellowing, which I think is overwatering. But honestly, these plants looked horrible a week ago, and they're actually looking pretty good now. They're bouncing back strong, a lot of growth. When I say these, I'm talking about to the right that are yellow. They looked bad when I up-potted them. And yeah, let me know what you think. Any tips? I'm definitely open to suggestions. Just wanted to share a weekly update. All right, later guys.